This is the Harwi Ultra Vertical Panel Saw. The Ultra is developed with one specific goal in mind. That goal is the removal of dust within the working environment. The ergonomic movement of the sawing unit ensures that the operator will always maintain an upright position while producing the perfect cut. The Ultra is capable of processing a wide range of materials, from wood to plaster and even cement board. Either vertically or horizontally, this machine will guarantee that the operator will work in a dust-free environment. The Harwi Ultra ensures a clean workspace, but more importantly, it ensures the well-being of the operator. The Harwi Ultra, built to make you last.